All right, everybody, welcome to this episode. We got a very interesting one on our hands. As you can see, beautiful A3. This is a member's vehicle, but we're here at her job and we've got two other vehicles signed up today. So I guess we'll call this a commercial account. We'll give you a little before view on this one. Wheels, yeah, they're a little dirty. Interior needs a clean up. Carpets need a clean up. Yeah, look like we got little pup running around, so we'll get all that cleaned up. And like I said, we had two other vehicles add to this one, so it should be a good episode, starting with this Audi A3 for our member. We'll get started on this, bring it back to life, and get started on the other two vehicles. Ooh, yeah, let's get it. One of my favorite things about these German cars is their carpet cleans up really nice. As you can see, we have some hair on this carpet, but check out these results. And yeah, they clean up. It's just my favorite. Check this out. And this is exactly what I'm talking about. Look how this carpet, look how these floor mats turned out. No more hair, and these lines. Oh my goodness. Let's get him back in the car. Just like that, Audi A3 brought back to life, interior and exterior for our member. Just give you a quick look at this thing, all finished up. Outside detail, wheels and tires, door jambs, paint, glass. Interior was brought back to life as you saw before. Removing all that hair, getting the carpets right, leather seats right. Let's get to the next one. All right, I got the second vehicle over, and as you can see, she's a little bit bigger. This one, we're just doing an exterior detail. So we will focus here on the wheels, get those right, bring those back to life. The paint, the windows on the outside, dry her off, go park her, return the keys. This one should be quick. Let's get it. Silverado Trail Boss, all finished up. Exterior detail only here at this commercial account, so that's going to include the paint, the wheels, the windows. Let's go ahead and get it parked. All right, I got the third vehicle pulled over. Nice little Mercedes. This is not a member's vehicle, so as you can see, it's going to be a little bit dirtier than the Audi. Wheels and tires, yeah, they need a bath. Outside, the paint needs a bath. Windows need to be taken care of. We are doing an interior exterior detail, so that will be taking care of the door jambs, as you see here. Ooh, yeah. Interior, the dash, cup holders, we'll bring that back to life. We'll bring this carpet back to life. And let's dive into it. All right, Mercedes all finished up. I had to take the phone out for this one. If you didn't know, it's so hot out here that my glasses aren't even working. Meta glasses said it's too hot, they shut down. I'm finally saying it's probably too hot, I'm about to shut down. Quick walk around before and after. This one again wasn't a member, but she needed a bath and she got exactly what she deserved. Subscribe for more work like this and contact us if you need any work. We'll see you on the next one. Yeah.